Charbanu.
What's up guys, so welcome back with another video. So today we're going to talk about cinematography rules and we're going to talk about camera angles. So let's get it started.
We have different angles in camera, such as high angle, low angle, and tilted angle. So let's get it started. So what is high angle? What's the purpose of using high angle? Well, high angle shots is where the camera looks down on the subject from the high angle, and the point of focus often gets followed up. And the functions of high angles, it can make the subject seem vulnerable or powerless. Low angles are completely different. When we place the camera down and looks to the object, we call it low angle because the camera is in low level. And the function of low angle, it can make the hero seem powerful, or it can make the hero seem vulnerable. Tilted angle. Tilted shot is a tilting point of view shot, or I can say it expresses the either attention or head motion to it. We have learned about the shots and angles. So let's go to the most important things that you must know. Is 180-degree rule. We all have to follow this guideline. So 180-degree rule is a cinematography guideline, which is very important. Let's say two people want to have a conversation. How would you capture that action? So the best place to put the camera is within the 180 degree. But if we put the camera outside the 180 degree, in fact we are breaking the law, which can cause to change the character positions. But how would you capture more than two people? Well, just place the camera within the 180 degree, you will be fine.
You're looking to become a penologist? You're looking to go back? You know, I chased down some cruise guys just looking to fuck up, get busted back. That you?
You must have worked some dipshit crews.
I worked all kinds.
When to break the rules? Well, in most of the times, most directors, they like to break the rules because maybe they don't have enough space to place the camera, or maybe some other reasons. Here are the examples.
Question like that?
I hear Miss Polly talking. The neighbor lady says one of you is my pa.
Well, don't the world have a wild imagination? Eat your coney island.
You my pa?
Of course I ain't your pa. I'll get you some relish. Coney island ain't no good without relish. Look, I know how you feel. I lost my mom too.
In this scene, the director decided to move the camera and break the law because of the locations.
That's strange, sir. I don't have any recollection of that at all.
Mr. Grady, you were the caretaker here.